How's it feel you're going to be in the back seat with me?
Awesome.
I feel like we take turns with who's riding with who. It's fair.
I guess you could say that for sure.
It's fair to take turns. That way everyone can ride with everybody. Because I care. Next ride is Flying Swains.
Wow, I love that ride.
Yes! Look at the whisper.
There you go. There you go. Right where that gentleman, that young man is pointing. That young man. He just said.
Lap bar secure. Alex, you have to wheel scan ass. I hate that.
Thank you.
Kenny would.
Okay, there we go. Hey, you trying to stop me from getting paid. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. I get stand up ready.
All clear. Please keep your arms away inside the car at all times. Enjoy your ride. Comet.
Comet backseat POV.
Featuring Insane Coaster Junkie.
Correct.
And Elevators Are Awesome is in the front. Alright, here we go. Brace for impact! Hopefully, riders, for your video, you had a good time. If you did, give it a thumbs up in the comment.
Correct.
Bleach. Okay, bleach. Alright, yeah. Thanks for watching Elevators Are Amazing. Bye.
Yep, thank you for watching Elevators Are Amazing. Bye.